In this lesson, we are going to get introduced with simple triggers that Google Apps Script offers to automate our tasks. So what are the simple triggers? Simple triggers are a set of reserved functions built into Apps Script, and here we can see a list of triggers. So the first one here, I think I should zoom the browser over here. So the first one is onOpen, which is a event triggers. That means it runs when a user opens a spreadsheet, a document, presentation or form that the user has permission to edit. After that, we have Uninstall, which is another event trigger that runs when a user installs an editor add-on from within Google Docs, Sheets, Slides or Forms. There is also onEdit, which runs when a user changes a value in a spreadsheet. And onSelectionChange runs when a user changes the selection in a spreadsheet. After that, there is DoGet, runs when a user visits a web page or a program sends an HTTP GET request to a web app. So this should sound little weird if you are not familiar with any kind of backend language or technology, but to handle our day-to-day tasks with Google Spreadsheet, this is not going to be something of that much important, so we can skip on this. And also there is doPost, which runs when a program sends an HTTP post request to a web app. So let's head on over to the spreadsheet and let's see if we can run a simple trigger. So here let's have a simple demonstration of a simple trigger, and for that let's have a demonstration on how onEdit function works. So according to the documentation, onEdit triggers when we make some sort of addition to the spreadsheet. So let's see how we can use this function. So as usual, let's write at first function, and here the name of the trigger is onEdit. So what we are going to do here is whenever we write something in a cell of that spreadsheet, we want to change the background color to something else, maybe red. So for that, at first we have to call the spreadsheet app, and we need to get the active sheet, and after that we need to get the active cell, the order of calling the methods are very much self-explanatory, because the first thing should be the class spreadsheet app, and after that we need to get the active sheet, and after that we need to get the active cell. So whenever we make some sort of edit to the spreadsheet or to the sheet, we are going to get the active cell and we are going to set the background color to red. So let's save it and let's run this function. No error. So let's head on over to the spreadsheet and let's make a change here. Let's write change, and we can see that whenever we make some change in any cell in the spreadsheet, the background color automatically change to red. And in this way we can figure out if any of the cells has been changed. So triggers are really important, and even more they are really useful, and we can automate several tasks using these triggers.